Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can add filters to your Instagram Reels. So let's get right into it. Now to add the filters to your Reels, it's actually really easy. All you need to do is create a Reel, and once you're editing the video in your in-app editor, you'll be able to add filters to it. So let me show you guys how that is done. Firstly, I'm going to swipe right and go into Reel creation mode. And from here, I'm going to go ahead and record a short video just with a black background, just as an example. Now, once you're done with that, click next. And here you can click on edit video. Once you do, you'll be able to go ahead, and at the bottom, you will see somewhere the option to add a filter at the very bottom right. Just click on that. And now you can add whichever filter you would like. You have Paris, Los Angeles, Lagos, Oslo. Pretty much all of the filters are named after places or cities in the world. Pretty sure they're all capitals, and or well, not capitals since New York is there, but that's not important at the moment. But yeah, once you're done, just click done, and you can go ahead and finish editing your reel, setting up the information, and click share. And that is pretty much it. Now, I'm pretty sure that the only way that you can actually add the filter is through this editing space. So that's pretty much your only option, as I recall correctly. Pretty much you can only add one filter, add a video. You can save the video and add another filter over it if you want to. Don't know why you would want to, but that is an option. But yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.